Howdy folks, Zach Smith, Pest Dude. Hey, we're talking about a product here today that is notorious, infamous, hated, but it's a tool in the toolbox, and I want you to know about them, and I want you to know the pros and cons. These are glue boards, rat and mouse glue boards, okay? This isn't the go-to first line of defense for me, and I don't recommend it for you either. This is a tool that we use when we are in like dire straits, when we're in a desperate situation to get a difficult rat where traps won't do it, okay? Traps, I believe, are the best way to go. They're the quickest kill. You can eliminate the rat. Humane trap options, I've made videos about those, check them out. You still have to do something with the caught rat. They're not just gonna sit there peacefully in a humane trap and say, you know, yay for my life. You need to treat them well if you're gonna do humane. This trap comes up on the list of most inhumane traps. You need to know that, okay? Make your decisions. Some people don't care. Some people care a lot. I'm just going right down the middle of it's a tool you should know about and use it properly. So here's what the product looks like out of the box. You can find the link to buy these in our description below or at pestdude.com. We do make a little bit of a commission on that, helps fund the channel. Give me a little bit of help to get this stuff produced and put out to you so you can do this safely. These are the glue trays, okay? They're covered with stickum. It's super goopy. You can get your finger off it, but it's, you know what I mean? Sticky. The idea is you put this in a rat's path of travel and it gets stuck and it basically dies on the glue, okay? Mouse, the same. Bugs, the same. They walk on it, they can't get out. Now, rats that are big and tough can get out if they are oily skinned and strong, and they can actually roll off the glue because oil is the antidote to the stickum. If you want to kill this thing, you put oil on it. So when you think about putting a attractant in the middle, like you might want to put a little bit of food here, don't use an oil-based product like Nutella or peanut butter because that oil is going to actually spread across the surface and kill the stickum. So put something that's dry, not oily, on here. And if you got something stuck to it that you want to get off, olive oil, salad oil, cooking oil, and it will start to dissolve the stickum, okay? But as you can imagine, if you're a rat or a mouse and you don't get off of it, you're going to expire from basically exhaustion and exposure on this, and that is why these things get called inhumane, because it might take a rat hours of struggle to die. It comes with two, you can put them together, you know, use your imagination, but again, this is when traps won't work. That's how we use this, and you've got to get the rat. I'd love to talk about why these things are necessary, even though they can be considered inhumane. It comes down to protection of human health, sanitation, your serenity, your property value, your family. If you have a rat that can't be caught, and these are common situations, you can't catch it and it's become trap wise and it's wreaking havoc day and night in your home, you'll consider more grave options. This before bait, that's what I'll say. If you're gonna think about, I should just bait it, don't, because if you bait a rat that's inside the house and it eats the bait and dies in the house, it'll die somewhere where you can't reach it and it will rot. And it's a stink, folks. So this is better because you can still get the rat out if the traps won't work. All right, so questions, comments, concerns, hate mail, whatever you wanna send, pestdude.com or comment in the comment section below. I try to respond to everything. Thanks for watching. Pest Dude out.